In this problem, we're graphing the point -1, 5 pi over 4 on polar coordinates. And the way to do that is to take your polar graph like this. And by the way, you can get this graph paper downloaded at wnc.edu/Downs. And I have a link on there for polar graph paper. Okay. So it's -1, 5 pi over 4. So first we're going to look at the angle. And it's 5 pi over 4. And so remember this is going to be 0, pi over 2, pi, 3 pi over 2, and this is 2 pi. So 5 pi over 4 is going to occur over here. 5 pi over 4. This is 3 pi over 4. This is just pi over 4. And over here is going to be 7 pi over 4. So it brings us around to this here. And then it says, around the 5 pi over 4, it says -1. Now, positive one would be this out this direction. And we could scale this as well. We can call this 1 there, and 2 there, and 3 there, and so on. But this is talking about being -1. So -1 is going to be on the other side of the origin, or the pole, I should say. So instead of being out here at 1, it's going to be the other direction over here at -1. So this makes it -1. So if you're saying, well, that could have been pi over 4, 1. Yeah, it could have. 5 pi over 4 -1 is, or -1, 5 pi over 4 is the same as 1 pi over 4. And it could also have been, if you went around one whole time and then a little bit more, it would have been 9 pi over 4, would have 1, or so on. And that's one of the interesting things about polar, is that it can occur many different ways. I hope that answers the question.